Let us now take some other examples from percentages in model number 3 of the topic percentages. Let us take the first example. Now it says, in an examination it is required to get 36% maximum marks to pass. A student got 130 marks and was declared failed by 85 marks. Find the maximum marks of the examination. Now here we have to find the maximum marks, that is nothing but 100% marks that is required in the examination. So now, as we know that the passing percentage is equal to 36. So we can write it as pass percentage equals to 36%. Now here it is mentioned that the student got 113 marks and was declared failed by 85 marks. So it is very clear that the pass percentage is equal to 36% and 36% is equal to 113, which the student obtained and failed by how many marks? 85% marks. So plus 85. 36% equals 113 plus 85, which is equal to 198. So we can understand that 36% is equivalent to 198 marks. And we are supposed to find out the maximum marks. So let's assume that the maximum marks here equals to M. So the passing percentage is 36% and that is equal to 198. Then 100% is equal to what? So by doing the cross multiplication here, we can get the required answer. So we can say that maximum marks will be M equals 100 into 198 divided by 36. So 6 are 36, and when 6 is taken 33 times, it will give you 198. Now again 3 2s are 6 and 3 11s are 33. Here 2, so 2 5s are 10. So what we can do here is 50 into 11 will give you the output as 550. So the maximum marks of the examination is 550. So let us now take one more typical example from model number 8 of percentages. Now our second question from model number 8 is 65% of a number is 21 less than 4 by 5th of that number. We need to find that particular number. Now this particular question, it appears to be complicated, but it's a very simple question. Let's assume that the number of which we are talking about to be x, right? Now the question is 65% of x is 21 less with 4/5 of that number, means 4/5 into x minus 65 divided by 100 into x. So by solving it, 5 2s are 10, and if you take 5 13 times will give you 65. So this becomes minus 13 by 20x. So going forward, the equation becomes 4 by 5x minus 13 by 20x equals to 21. So by solving this particular equation, when we take out the LCM of 5 and 20, you would get the value as 20, and here 4 into 4 is 16, so we would write 16x here minus 13 equals to 21 into 20. So by solving this particular equation, we get 16x minus 13x equals to 20 into 21. Now 3x equals 20 into 21. So we have to find the value of x. So x equals to 20 into 21 by 3. 3 sevens are 21, and 20 into 7 is 140. So 140 is that particular number which we are looking in this particular question. So these were the two examples of a different case of percentages that we have learned in model number 8 of percentages. This was the last model from the topic percentages, wherein we discussed two different scenarios of taking out the percentages. I hope all these formulas and all these concepts, the more you practice, the more comfortable you would be with the concepts and the formula of percentages, as this topic percentages is very important when it comes to any competitive examination.